Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MemeIndex token. Ticker symbol is MEMEX. Now this token here is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This is an ICO, initial coin offering, and they have a couple audits. We're going to go over that in a second. We're going to talk about how you can get this token and all the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is MEMEindex.com. Over there you can find a full solid proof audit, a CoinSalt audit, and it says here they have a white paper, frequently asked questions, tokenomics, how to buy. So basically there is a countdown until the next phase of the pre-sale where the price increases, and this is generally how these pre-sales work. So far they've raised $136,240. And the goal for this phase is $770,000. Now, basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would need a wallet, like a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. It says you can buy the pre-sale with ETH or USDT or card or even BNB. So you could fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you could download a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you would go to memeindex.com. Right at the top of the page, you click Connect Wallet, and then you would put in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how much MEMEX tokens you get for that amount, and then you could buy the token, and it says you could buy and stake now. So you could stake your tokens, and then when the pre-sale is over, then you would claim your tokens. It is basically that easy. Now, they have here a how to buy section on the webpage in case you get lost. Now, this pre-sale here has been advertised in a bunch of different news outlets like the Techopedia, the Cryptonomist, Crypto Potato, Bitcoin.com, CoinMarketCap, etc. Lots of different news stories regarding this project here. Now, they have a 15-page white paper. Kind of says similar stuff on the webpage, but basically the MEMEindex represents a huge step in the meme coin ecosystem. By aggregating market-wide exposure into curated indexes, it combines innovation, decentralization, and community governance into a single platform for meme coin enthusiasts. With MEMEX, you can unlock the explosive potential of meme coins while having the flexibility of choosing your risk tolerance. So it says how MEMEindex works. MEMEX token allows you to participate in 4 diverse meme coin baskets, ranging from relatively low to ultra high volatility. Only MEMEX token holders may participate in the protocol, alongside gaining exposure to this $120 billion market. MEMEX can be staked during the pre-sale and post for maximum annual percentage yield. So holders for MEMEX get to choose their own adventure. Instead of just holding a single meme coin, they get access to an entire basket or 4 baskets of meme coins with varying degrees of volatility. From extreme volatility to chill meme vibes, MEMEX allows holders to stake their tokens in a particular meme index that matches their taste and style. The Titan index is filled to the top to the bottom with meme coins we've come to know and love. and they are well established in the top 10. Most of these meme coins have a market cap of $1 billion USD. However, the Titan Index, like all other baskets, is constantly shifting with the tides of the meme coin market. Therefore, community votes will dictate which meme coins are added and removed to the Titan Index while keeping the meme basket active and fluid. Then there's the Moonshot Index, full of meme coins that are just about to challenge for the top 10. Many of these will have already been listed on major Tier 1 central exchanges and are rumored to be listing soon. Then we have the Mid Cap Index, is where the volatility really begins to increase. These tokens will sit around $50 to $250 million market cap range, and from here, these meme coins could quickly and violently reach a moonshot or even Titan levels. However, these tokens are quite volatile to the downside. Mid-cap is for those who enjoy a bit of risk. And then we have the Meme Frenzy Index, and this one is only for degens, those who like to live life on the wild side and don't mind the riskiest of plays. The Frenzy Index is a basket that is laden with high-risk, high-reward tokens that can fly or fall very quickly. And this is not for the faint of heart. So those are all the baskets there. Then there's also governance. So MEMEINDEX token is not only your ticket to the meme coin kingdom. It is, you can submit your vote on proposals related to the project. So submit new proposals for the project, vote on which new meme coins are placed in the basket. Dynamic baskets ensure trading memes are always in play, and only MEMEX token holders can submit, vote, and access the MEMEINDEX. So let's check out their audits here. So they have a CoinSalt audit. It says trading is enabled, no hive selfies, no honeypot, no blacklist, no mint function. Now, it says this token is on the Ethereum blockchain, and there is one low-risk issue on this audit that has been acknowledged but not resolved. So just be aware of that. That is their CoinSalt audit. Then they have a solid proof audit that it says here, ownership is not renounced, and one optimization issue and one informational issue. So those are 4 issues between the 2 audits that have been found. So just be aware that this pre-sale, this token, the MEMEX token, does not have 2 perfect audits. There are big warnings, especially ownership is not renounced is a big red flag. So definitely take that with a grain of salt and thoroughly do your own research before investing in this project. Now let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.